Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. My name is Christopher. Today we're going to be doing something a little different, as we are going to be unlocking this 19.5 foot 2018 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4. It's on the 2500 chassis. This has been fully converted by New West VR to a fully functioning camping van. I'm here with Cassie and she's going to show us the ins and outs. Okay, so checking out the power plan. This one is the 2.1 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's the BlueTech diesel Mercedes technology. It's going to give you about 9 liters per every 100 kilometers on the highway. This one is rear wheel drive, and then of course you can switch it using the 4x4 mode. It is a 7-speed automatic transmission. Okay, so taking a look at the cabin here, the driver's cabin. It's pretty basic, looks very similar to the basic Mercedes Sprinter vans. Our Bluetooth is right on the wheel. We do have our cruise control as well. No automatic headlights on this, but that's okay. The dial's right to the left here. Let's start it up. So nice quiet little 4-cylinder engine. I do have my rear differential controls and my hill ascent controls here. Small infotainment screen right in the middle, which is going to give us our vehicle information. It's going to tell us our kilometers to empty, our temperature, and our clocks. Nice shifter knob right up here, and then pretty standard infotainment system here for the Mercedes. We do have things like our navigation, our Bluetooth controls, and our cell phone controls right on the wheel. Big truck like this, you want the backup camera, so you can see it comes on automatically. We do have the doors open, they're working away back there, but so our heating and air conditioning controls are down below our infotainment screen. One downside, no USB on this 2018 vehicle, so we have the cigarette adapter to charge our phone or play music. So a little bit of storage in here for your sunglasses or your cell phones, and then there's plenty of storage on top here for all your maps and your books, sunglasses. There's lots of storage above the visors, just like any work van.
This one is customized with a automatic step that comes out. Step up. And the nice thing about this is the passenger seat is a swivel chair. We have a rotating table right here that folds out, and then there is a chair that folds up right here. Now what's really great about this conversion by New West is the counter space. So we have a sink, just basic sink, with a soap dispenser right here. Fridge is right here, that's latched on, so we just open it up. Basic little fridge with a freezer, a little freezer compartment. We latch that back up. So the bathroom is hidden, making a ton of counter space. So we just flip up this counter, and if you want to look inside here, we have just a basic cassette toilet, which pulls out, just basic. We don't have it set up right now. And then our shower is hidden in the ceiling. And this just folds down. And we got our shower curtain that comes down. It's all Velcro, so it flips around. And our shower, if we come take a peek in here, is right here. So we just lift this up and we have a shower up here. If you wanted to, you could always take out the toilet for ease of showering, that sort of thing. And to stow it, just twist this up. This flips back up. So next we'll move on to the cooktop. So we have a couple different options for cooktop. These cushions here just snap in and unsnap. And when you're cooking, you can just move them out of the way. This little piece, sorry my butt is right in your shot, extends down. This guy, you have to have this folded down. And you have multiple burner options. So this is a gas stove. It just slides off and you can lift it off So you can use it outside or over here on a different counter space. And underneath you have one induction burner. Okay, so the dinette converts to a sleeping area. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So with the click of a button, the tabletop comes off. And we'll just put that to the side right now. And then with another click of a button, the base stops off. And these can just go right behind the driver's seat. It's super easy for the seats to flip down. Underneath is all storage, which is great. And then they just slide down like so. Same with the other side. And then this part folds out. These cushions. This guy folds down to rest on there. And these cushions extend your bed. For me, I can fit right here, but a taller person can lay right here. So everything is screened in. So our door is just on a mosquito net, and it just zippers in, and it's held on via magnets. So we can close it just like so. So New West does these great storage cubes. Gives you a little bit more options for storage, and they're super secure. And they do have a locking mechanism. So just like so, you open it up. And we opted to put the bike racks on the top here. To get to the back, you just have to lift this off, swing this guy around. The cube spins out of the way, and you come right into the doors. And then here's the back. So in the back we have additional storage, and we also have an outdoor shower right here. So this just comes out. And this could be used to wash off your feet or your gear, or to shower in the great outdoors. We also have our panel right here, our electric panel. Okay, so we're gonna open up the awning, and this attachment is just hidden right on the door back there. So to open it is pretty simple, it's just a manual awning. Spin it out. And you just spin it out about halfway. But it spans out to about 10 feet. Got it running.
Woo! So take a look at this beast all set up. We got the awning for the barbecue. We got the nice compass sticker on the back, Captain America style. Storage locker, the bike rack for when you want to rip the trails. And another large decal right on the other side. So thank you very much for watching another video. If you have any questions about this RV or any of the other videos in my channel, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.